If you run a small business, keeping your books organized can feel like a full-time job on its own. That is where cloud accounting software comes in, and two names dominate the space: QuickBooks Online and Xero. Both help you track income and expenses, manage invoices, and stay tax-ready without drowning in spreadsheets. But they each bring a different style and workflow to bookkeeping. Let's break down how they compare and which one might be the better fit for your business. QuickBooks Online is one of the most recognized accounting tools for small businesses. It is built around simplicity and control, giving you an easy way to handle daily bookkeeping tasks. The dashboard is clean and focused, showing your cash flow, overdue invoices, and expenses all in one place. You can connect your business bank accounts, categorize transactions automatically, and generate reports that make tax time a lot less stressful. What makes QuickBooks Online stand out is its deep ecosystem. It integrates with hundreds of apps, from payroll and time tracking to payment processing and inventory management. You can create and send professional invoices, track when clients open them, and even let customers pay directly online. For service-based businesses, it also handles recurring invoices and simple project tracking, which helps you stay on top of your workload and your cash flow. Another strength of QuickBooks Online is its reporting power. You can see profit and loss, balance sheets, and expense breakdowns with just a few clicks. Everything updates in real time, so you always know where your business stands financially. Accountants love it too, since it is one of the most widely supported platforms for professional bookkeeping and tax preparation. Now let's talk about Xero. Xero is known for being modern, intuitive, and built for collaboration. It has a clean design that makes bookkeeping feel less intimidating. Like QuickBooks, you can connect your bank accounts, reconcile transactions automatically, and track expenses with ease. But Xero's approach focuses more on simplicity and teamwork, which makes it especially appealing for small businesses that work closely with accountants or bookkeepers. One of Xero's biggest advantages is unlimited users. You can give access to as many people as you want at no extra cost, something QuickBooks Online charges extra for. That makes Xero great for growing businesses or teams that want to share financial access with partners, advisors, or staff. It also includes built-in collaboration tools so you and your accountant can review data and make updates in real time without sharing files back and forth. Xero also shines in global business features. It supports multiple currencies, automatic exchange rate updates, and tax tools for international operations. Its mobile app is strong too. You can reconcile transactions, send invoices, and check your cash flow right from your phone. Reporting in Xero is clear and customizable, though not quite as detailed as QuickBooks in some advanced areas. Still, for everyday business needs, it covers everything a small business owner would use regularly. If you prefer a more established system with every feature built in, go with QuickBooks Online. If you want modern design, teamwork, and straightforward bookkeeping without the extra clutter, Xero will feel like a breath of fresh air. Either way, both keep your books balanced, your business organized, and your financial picture crystal clear.